Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to explore a fundamental concept that's not just an academic curiosity, but has practical applications in our daily communication: countable and uncountable nouns. Let's jump in. So, what are countable and uncountable nouns? Countable nouns are objects like apple, book, or car that we can make plural. You can have one apple, two apples, three apples, and so on. Each of these nouns has a plural form, typically ending in s or es. On the other hand, uncountable nouns, also known as mass nouns, cannot be counted individually. Examples include water, information, and music. These nouns don't have a plural form and are treated as singular. You wouldn't say musics or informations, right? Let's look at an example. Consider these sentences. 1. I always eat an apple for lunch. 2. I always eat apple for lunch. Only the first sentence is correct. We must say an apple because apple is a countable noun. We can count how many apples we eat or buy. Now, why does this matter? Understanding the difference helps you use the correct quantifiers and avoid grammatical errors. Let's look at a few practical scenarios. Imagine you're writing a grocery list. For countable items, you might write 2 pineapples and a half dozen eggs. For uncountable items, your list might include sugar and salt. Using the correct terms ensures that the person reading your list understands exactly how much you need. If you wrote 3 sugars and 2 salts, it would be confusing, right? In a professional setting, especially in written communication, this distinction is crucial. Suppose you're drafting a report or an email. You might say, "We need more information before we can proceed." Here, information is uncountable, so you wouldn't say, "We need more informations." Similarly, when discussing evidence, you'd use, "The evidence is being analyzed," because evidence is an uncountable noun in modern usage. Even in casual conversations, the correct use of countable and uncountable nouns can make your speech clearer and more precise. For instance, if you're talking about your weekend plans, you might say, "I have a few plans," referring to plans as countable, but "I need some advice on where to stay," because advice is uncountable. To sum up, the distinction between countable and uncountable nouns helps in maintaining grammatical accuracy and ensuring clear communication. Whether you're shopping, working, or chatting with friends, this knowledge is incredibly practical. In the description of this video, you'll find lists of the 25 most common countable and uncountable nouns in English.